Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel and thank you for subscribing my channel. And we are reaching more than 13,000 subscribers on our channel. Thank you for those who are already subscribed and advance thanks for those who are going to subscribe. And this video, I'm just going to create one charting scanner. So based on my one of my premium member request, and it should be a strategy. So based on Heikin Ashi trading, Heikin Ashi candle based. So Heikin Ashi candle, you know very well. So it is an average candle. So comparatively, it is a normal candle is entirely different. So where we are going to create Heikin Ashi candle, it is also be a different one. So it is based on the previous day open high low close divided by 4 and like that divided by 4, and today is its opening. Okay, so it is lagging with VIX most of the time, and it is a very uh, similar to the candle, but it is slightly different. Hope you are seeing that this is an Heikin Ashi candle, and where you can see if any big bullish which is happening on that. So it doesn't have a lower wick. In the normal candle it's a open low, but in this particular thing it is there is no lower wick which forms. For an example, this particular time it is keep on bullish, and here also it is keep on bullish, and here also it is keep on bullish. If there is a wick means both the sides there is a consolidation or a range bound, something like that. On a bullish market you don't see any lower wick on the bottom, and the bearish side you can't see any higher wick in the bottom. So based on that, we are trying to create some scanner, and it is available in charting, and I'm going to use the normal one, and some indicators which I have added. It is an indicator based strategy. So here what are the indicators? It is about 50 EMA, so where we are looking at, and another one more indicator is RSI 14 and 15 EMA and Heikin Ashi candles. Okay. So by using this, we are going to build a strategy. What the condition is, 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, whatever the time frame, it doesn't matter. So here, maybe I'm taken for a 5 minutes time frame. In this case, it is an Heikin Ashi candle and exponential moving average and RSI. These are all the conditions. When price above to the EMA 50. This is what a bullish scenario. And the same time, I'm just looking for that RSI in between 55 to 70, not more than that, because I'm using 5 minutes time. But if I'm looking for a downside, the price of the stock is below 50 EMA, and RSI it should be less than 45 to 30. So this is what the conditions where I'm just going to create. So below 30 to 45, this is an RSI value. RSI value. So this is what a conditions where we are. This is for a bearish. So just I'm just going to create one more thing which I'm seeing. If that pattern has happened, you will see the open and see it is opened above the moving average and closed below the moving average, or open below and closed above with the lower wick or a higher wick. So that I'm just going to find out with the charting scanner. So this is what a logic. Maybe it will be useful for your intraday, because we are going to use 5 minutes time frame for intraday strategy. Okay, so let me try to create the scan, and I told you what the condition which we are using it, and just we are going to create the scanner, and I'm just always using the future and option. So whatever the scanner, if you want to change any, you can change it whatever segment you're looking for. Okay, so here Heikin Ashi candle you will be seen HA open. Okay, that is what an Heikin Ashi. HA open, it must be equal to HA low. Heikin Ashi low. So this is a open low. I'm just using a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I'm not going to use any other time frame. I'm just using 5 minutes for an intraday scalping kind of trades, which we can plan with the scanner. Okay, and open low on the first candle. And one more thing, open. Yeah, so we can add this HA open. Must be remove this greater than. Sorry, we'll use less than EMA. EMA close 50. Okay, so this is what a condition, and one more condition which I might add, that greater than Heikin Ashi close. This must be greater than 5 minutes EMA close 50. So this will tell you the stock which opened by the open low below to the EMA 50 EMA and it is closed above to the 50 EMA. Any stocks is there in for example Nifty is there. Let me check Nifty where you can see exactly what the pattern which you are looking for. So this is what a pattern where I am just looking for the trend reversal or maybe a bullish sign. So it opened below, open equal to low like that. And the second condition, it should be a green candle. That's right. And here the open less than the 50 EMA. This is a 50 EMA. Open less than the 50 EMA, and it closed above to the 50 EMA, and also it is a green candle and doesn't have a lower wick. No lower wick. So this is what a condition I'm just funding for this opportunity, and these are all the stocks which show one. And let me check one more stocks in the morning. So let me save the scanner. Will be added in the premium group, and if you want to follow the steps to create also, because I'm not using any custom indicator here, it is simple indicator. So a lot of stocks, but we find many stocks here in the scanner, but trying to trade based on the many signals which is generated means it's very difficult. So here we'll check today any 31st today. Uh, it's a 5 minutes time frame, right? So we'll try to check today morning what are the stocks. This is a 9:45, 9:40. 5 minutes will be go for 31st. Yeah, here is a 9:15. Some of the stocks. Maybe let me check Dr. Reddy. What is happening? It is a 9:15. Such a pattern is forming. So here is the pattern. But normally in the first 15 minutes candle, it would be a high volatile in nature. We are normally not going to take a trade in the first 15 minutes, but it's a 5 minutes time frame. This is what I think. So after that, it came down. But here is the thing which I'm just looking for. And this time it was moving very good from that point. So around 10:55. If you are looking at normal candle, it is entirely different. Here it started and moving down 10:55. It's a candle from that point. It is having the trend reversal from this point where we find out that. So instead of that taking a 9:15 candle, we will be taking some more later around 9:50 or 9:30 something like that. It would be even better for your intraday. So 9:35 we have Apollo tire granulars. What is happening on granulars? So this is a normal candle where you can see it's up and down, up and down. But if I'm using Heikin Ashi candle, it may be noiseless. Okay. So you can see this is a noiseless and 9:20, 9:20. Here is the candle where we got an opportunity. So it is open below and closed above. Where I'm getting the closing price and the recent swing low maybe my stop loss, and it was giving you such a good move. So I need to add some more filters from the scanner. It will be helping you to find out better stock. So we are using only whether the condition is works. And now we are going to add a RSI filter, and it should be filtering even less number of stocks while I'm using. So many stocks would be there in the list. Instead of taking that much of stocks is not a good. So what I'm just using, so RSI relative strength index 14 as the default. It must be greater than number, if it is a bullish 55. Okay, and the same time I will be using the RSI less than 70. If I want to filter out those stocks in 5 minutes time frame only, not for any daily time frame. I'm just using a 5 minutes for intraday. So if I'm adding this condition, so very few number of stocks. So the RSI period between that particular time frame. So today around 31st 9:15 we have stocks Cipla, Dr. Reddy, L&T. So 9:15 I'm not looking for intraday. So after 9:20 and this is what a 9:45 we have a Bandhan Bank. So let me go for a Bandhan Bank. So well, let us work for an intraday average. So where 9:40 this is a candle 9:45 because 9:40 the RSI is somewhere around 9:40 RSI is 57. It is 9:45. This is the candle where exactly we are looking for, and that works also from 9:40 to 9:45. I think it is closing price or opening price. I think it is a opening price. Maybe in the next candle, if I'm taking around 179, so better we can see the exact price for those stocks. So we will be adding here the normal candle. So better to see exactly the candle. So this is what a 9:35. So where we are going to get this. This is a 5 minutes time frame. Sorry, here is the pattern. So exactly at 9:40, where 9:45, it's somewhere around 180. After 180, it was moving towards 183, and it is close to 183.6. So exact, but in this normal candle, it looks like a up and down candle, but in the Heikin Ashi candle, it is different. So where I'm just keeping the cursor here, and that time it was showing you closing price 179.51, but it is an average price. Okay, so we need to confirm with the candle pattern or candle price. It will be helping you to find out the trade opportunities and exact value. If you are clicking here, and you can in the bottom you can see 9:45 close is 180.13, and there in Ikanashi candle it shows 179.51. The candle price is the exact one. This is what an average one. Okay, so to understand that, I'm just making this particular thing. So I have to remove this. Only this is good enough. Okay, so this is what giving you such a good move. And after that, we have some more stock and UBL, United Beverages Limited, UBL. So what is happening on UBL? And it was happening by 2 o'clock. And what is the time? Yeah, exactly 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, the stock moves. So let me check after 2 o'clock how the candle is measured. So this is what at 2 o'clock. After that, around 1916, and it went up to maximum 1928. It will be used for an intraday, and you can adjust this RSI value by 50 to 65. Even you should avoid oversold one. So this is adjustable one. You can adjust by using this and Bank Nifty. You can see there is a lot of stocks here. We are removing that. So around 9:30 and 9:40 we have Bandhan Bank. So one candle before we find at a Bandhan Bank. Okay, and 9:35, 9:45 also the Bandhan Bank, and Tata Power a sale also be there. So while using the scanners, we need to filter minimum scanners, and this is what an intraday opportunity 9:40 in the Tata Power by using a Ikanashi candle, not for the normal candle, but values you should taken out from Ikanashi only. So this is also it moves on 9:45, and then it gives you some good result. And one more stock which I seen is in sale, and I'm just seeing sale. This is what on the price 9:45. Initially it went, and maybe it is a stop loss trade. Maybe it is down initially in this particular 9:40, and it went up to 117, and maybe this point where it is turned. But if you are looking at a Ikanashi, the reversal of opposite pattern, here the pattern where it is giving you the reversal, or there is the pattern where it is giving you the reversal. In negative side, we have to adjust the RSI values, and it should be the changing the code, and that would be update on our next video. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any other questions or doubt, just ping me on my WhatsApp number is shown on this video. And if you want to join my premium channel, you can also contact me. The WhatsApp number is shown in this video. And I don't have any other Telegram contact detail channel or any other. Only premium Telegram group channel where you can access my scanner. That is not one scanner. Telegram group. So some of people who use the name of talent traders and the logo, and they created crypto and other things. I'm not doing any crypto, and I'm not doing any other forex, something like that. So if anything, only few channel. One is about candlesticks pattern trader is my channel. I'm running a few years back, and still is available. And one more channel is the premium Telegram group. It's a private channel. No other channel I'm using in Telegram. So don't follow the channel which shown the talent traders with my current logo. So simply avoid it. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.